Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time, you just didn't get post for YouTube or you did watch, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you go just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. So today we'll go straight to the point. More no your beat around the bush. Now one woman, the woman say before she called me, he say she not be the type when be say she dey into social media like that, or they watch something like that for social media. He say so, but she can't get issue when be say she really need advice and she don't know what she want to. He say he can't get one nice lady when she know. He can't go meet that lady. He can't explain to her. Now the lady can't tell and say, when you don't see issue like this for this platform, make she just come watch. Then if she watch, then because similar issue with her own day, then she go decide what to do. He said before you watch one or two, because she can't subscribe, and before she watch one or two of our videos, now she can't get the courage, can't take number, can't call me. And the matter be say, I beg my precious people, my beautiful people, I beg. She just need opinion and the voice record too. The matter be say right now, first week of next month na be the court day, and now the husband dey tell am say if he go court go talk, she go see am wetin will happen. You understand? E be like say the man dey threaten am say if you go court go talk. Say well, no, so e be like say she can't be the type wey be say she dey fear, she don't know what to do. So mona listen to her story, then mona talk whether she go court go talk or make she not go talk. Mona listen to her story from the beginning. She say when she dey very young, she dey date one guy. This guy, they dey Nigeria together, they dey very okay, and the guy come be like say he get money, you understand me, you owe pepper small. So and na the guy, oh, I don't know why some women they suffer, you understand? And this woman a very decent woman. For all her life, not only two men, not to shop her ample. The first one and the second one, only two. Abo. So he said that first love, can say he want make both of them go live their life for Europe, make the day Europe together. Now waiting he really wants. That she can say okay, no problem. That the guy can say okay, you first they go, I will come meet you. That she can say okay, no problem. And really, her visa can't fair come out. She just fair enter Europe. As she enter Europe, she can't wait for the guy. You know, say, some few months, the guy can't come, As the guy can't come, now they be let it enter. So when the guy stay for some months, the guy can't see and say, not be as they talk for Europe, not be so Europe be. Europe be say, if you not work, no way for you, you understand? And the guy be like say he get some kind of business wey be say if they make more money for Nigeria pass. So now he can't decide say he not go fit stay this Europe, because all the time when they did this Europe, if he use and take day Nigeria, he know how much he don't make for the business when he they do. So he not go stay Europe, he they go back to Africa. And the woman come say make he no go. He say he go, but he go they come. And the woman come say okay. Being as say she don't dey pregnant, he come say no worry, you just dey, I go dey go, I go dey come. Everything go dey okay. This one they tell you so. They marry as they marry. So the husband, that is the guy, he can't go back to Nigeria. So she can't dey Europe with the pregnancy. So when the pregnancy don't dey big, the family of that man come they tell and say, you just leave your husband. This man, he dey waka kpurukere for house. So now so you do now, they will collect husband for your hand. You need to come. If they call the man, say the way the man come to dey respond for phone, not be as they take talk am. And she dey pregnant, she don already due to born. So now she can say she no want go born for Africa. Make she just bear her. If she born her pikin, make say I go. Because they tell the man, oh yeah, come. Make you come say as this they'll take born this pikin and all that. The man will say they come, he not come. She come finally born. When she come still born, the same story, the family of that guy, neighbors, that they call her, they tell her, say, see what they happen, say as the guy, the girl now, be like say, why can't they stay there? Every time they come and all that. If you not take time, you go lose this your man. And she no want lose her marriage. She no want lose her man. Say he no care for anything, but he no want lose her man. He say so as he just as everything be now the package the pikin newborn baby na dey enter flight na dey reach house. He say when she dey come she no tell the man say im dey come. He arrange am with the man family na so dem come pick am for airport. Dem come pre ten d like say dem no know wetin dey happen na so she just burst enter house. The husband and the girl wey he carry dey house. So as he just see am say e dey come, she just come. The guy no expect, he come shock. He come carry the girl go hide. And he say when he come reach inside house, he come see say all her property no dey inside their room again. He don carry her property go put for store room. And the girl picture, he come take sample everywhere. So now he come talk say now be so you promise me, you tell me say you go dey come. You never even reach how many years now. You don put woman for house. He say the guy come dey tell am say no be so. The guy try to calm her down. He say he come dey say no. He come dey shout no be so you tell me Now the guy come say okay, no worry, everything go dey okay. This baby now, you need to take vaccination. You need to take this baby back to Europe. They come talk family to family. Even the guy parents, they love her so much. They come talk say this baby need to take vaccination. You need to go take this baby to Europe. No worry, everything go dey okay. We don talk to our son, everything go dey okay. People come beg her, and so she come pack herself and her baby come back to Europe. He say when she still come back, this guy no come. Pikin come dey grow, this guy no come. Now they come dey tell am say the woman now na there. Now he come dey stay and if the way the guy dey respond, he go call, he no go pick, he no go even call. He say he come sit there, he come say he no wan go marry another man. Now this man he want me stay with, and this man he want me born all her children for. So for that reason, if he say make he stay this Europe, he go just lose this man. He go lose her marriage. She need to go back to Africa to go stay with this man so that he go stay with his husband. He go be in a marriage, because being a single mother in Europe, he no see any gain when they gain for inside. He said, so she take package herself, come back again for the second time. He said this second time when he reach house, and the guy say, I no tell you say me you can't come. I no invite you, you can't come. He said the guy provoke. He said this time around, not be the first time when be say even they shake, they say he carry the girl go hide he go do. He said this time around the guy stand gidigba for ground. He said for me, I no invite you, you can't come. Say like before you know it, the apple, the guy you wear shirt, you come up for us. He not come us again. For how many days ago they stay hotel? He say come there with pikin, he no see husband, he no see anybody. If he call, I go say as you take come, and so you take go back. I go invite you, you go come. I go prepare for you, you go come. Say make you just dey come like this. Don't try that nonsense. He say the man take action. Say no be small thing He say collect say na play He go see report to the parent. The parent say they don talk to their pikin no hear. She come tire. He come say wetin he wan do if na so he no dey go back to Europe. He go dey this house. He go stay with this man. He say the man no gree come out. He say he come dey there the man no come out. He come say no dey comot. He go and start a family here for this Africa. He say na so he come dey the house. He say before you know wetin dey happen, she come dey sick. Pikin come dey sick. Now people come dey shout, carry pikin go back to Europe pikin dey sick better hospital no dey here anything happen to this pikin na your hand e dey dem dey tell you now you say na husband you wan fight put husband now e no send you, you carry pikin you put for here, pikin dey sick, anything happen to this pikin, and she herself she come dey sick too. No be small thing before you know wetin dey happen, pikin go come dey vomit different kind of thing, even blood and all that and she sef she no see well. Then she come look and say me no come go lose the pikin. The man sef he no see man for eye. He no see, and only that first time when he say upon almost a month when she spent, he no see the man for eye. Na only that first time we take say we take vex comot. Na hotel come dey hear say the man dey go, dey find the man dey go, he no dey see. You know say marriage some people dem dey suffer for marriage well. That woman say as the pikin come dey sick, he no get choice. Now he come bundle herself with pikin, come go abroad, make go treat pikin. As they all reach abroad, he no carry pikin go hospital. Pikin just well. She herself, she just well. Cause which kind of magic be this? He say cause they try to talk to the guy, to talk to the husband, say no be so they take plan now, no be so. He said the man not here again he not here again. He said before you know it dey happen, the man not come dey pick her again. if he come, he no come dey pick, now he come say well make she start her life, come start to dey work, dey take care of the pikin. Come say lie go just dey like that. He can never follow any other man. He go just train this her daughter, me two of them just dey like that, say because he no fit for wahala since this man don abandon. And the next thing, the man bring paper come say make dem sign for divorce. Na so the marriage dey ends. He say she come dey like that too. Na there na one of her friend come say, as you fine reach, I dey tell you, if you see this woman, na correct woman o. I come say, as you fine reach like this, na man still dey use you, dey dey wewa. Correct woman. May I tell you guys, marriage na luck. And na wetin me just say, and this woman get good character. Marriage na luck. You no fit talk say you lucky well your husband good well. No, wait till in the evening when you and the man go dey use walking stick dey waka. Na that time you take know say you get luck for marriage. Marriage na try your luck. Una fit just dey sweet. If you don dey reach in the evening, you see your papa wey go carry one small girl. You now you not be anybody again. So you go wait in the evening when be say your husband don dey use walking stick dey waka. Say na una two still dey. At that time you will say you lucky for marriage. Say na so she come sit down. Oh, now this her friend come tell am say you no fit stay like this now. You need to, he say no be say guys no dey talk to her. I say they talk to her. He say and nobody evil temper with her and she keep herself. He say now the guy come dey talk say as you just dey like this, so the friend come dey say you dey like this, you too fine and you too good, you no fit dey like this. Okay, we know somebody for Africa when we say this person he good well and a Christian. He dey go church, he dey fear God, he good well. We go introduce you to this guy, and this guy come be Igbo guy. He go fit stay with you na to start life together, because this one wey you just dey so e no good na. Pikin don grow, husband don divorce you, you don marry another person, you just dey like that. You still young and a very young lady, even till now sef she still young, Then he come say okay, na there she for make mistake for me. For your kukuma carry the way here they see like this for Europe, better pass so. Now they come introduce her to this girl, and it come be say she used 2 years take senior that guy, this Igbo guy. So 2 years now he take senior, and when they introduce them, then he come ask the guy say how many years you dey come? Like come say I used 2 years take senior you. Now the guy come say e no mean anything. Age na just number, e no mean anything. Age na number na your character, your heart, that be the important thing. He said the guy you dey talk well. He said na so they come do, he come buy ticket, he come go and go see this guy, they come dey together, then he come go again, come get belle, he come Europe, come born the pikin, he come see dey work, he come see go again, get another belle, come Europe, come born the pikin, he come still go again for the 3rd time, come get another belle, come Europe, come born the pikin. He say all this time, he say na only she na dey take care of those children. He don get 3 children for this man, 3 girls. He don get her own when she first born before that first one. There come be 4 children. Now she dey work hard, take care of these 4 children, cause he send money to this guy wey dey Africa. He come tell this guy say he no fit dey send you money every time. If na something, look for something do. Now so the guy go say he wan do this one, he go give her money, he no go bring anything come out from inside. Now so he go say he wan do this one, he go give her money, he no go see anything bring from inside. Now say he wan go Dubai, go do business, they buy jewelry, they come sell, they do this, they say but people know they say they sabi do business, but this Igbo man, you come different, me I no understand. Now so he go give her money, he no go feel right, nothing to write home back for the money. He say this time around now to carry am come Europe, make come follow you, they take care of children. Then the man come say na truth, make he just come Europe, come dey help you, they support you because you don't really try. Thank God, because say she can't work out, she can't get pali, so she fit invite this guy come. And so he can't say invite this guy come, invite her, the guy come. The guy never dey work. Now she see they do all the expensive, pay the bill, take care of children, come take care of this man. And so this man come to say he want begin they know say na so they talk. They want to do business, they carry container, they go house, they go send. And so he borrow money, give this guy money, he no see for inside, not see, no belle mommy for inside. After he do all those things, so now the boy papa can't die. When papa can't die, they want do burial. So now the boy come say he need money. He come say borrow money, give this man. Say okay, go take do your papa burial. Then they come that time she in don dey Europe o, e never dey work, you know say he just come. Then they come tell am say, tell the family come dey tell am say, ah, you wey be our wife, because this one so he do everything o, dem marry o, dem pay bride price, he do everything. And they come say, you wey be our wife, husband papa die, you know you need to come, you need to come. And the man no want make he come, you understand? He come say he no go come. The family say, ah no, you need to come o, you need to come o. He come say okay. He say, who send am make he go? He say when he reach burial day, he come even invite her own family. Say, mona follow me o, my husband papa die o, mo go do burial. He say na so the man disgrace am. If he dey waka dey come, if he see am, he go dodge, he go. But this woman dey see this green light since then. I no understand, because you know say men, if you too dey do follow man, say if you just leave me, I go just die. To get power to do you well. If they tell you say they no send, you too go say you no send. I sorry say I use this word though, because you know some kind things dey provoke person. He say na so e go be egbe for am make e pass. If you wan send message say abeg me bring this thing, she go stand for there, e no go send, I go dey send other people. E no dey talk to her. He say why e come the burial, and na the family say make she come. Na so e disgrace her for where her own family dey. Come be like say na she come dey fair husband, dey pursue husband, dey go. You know, he say he come shame. Say that day sef, that burial day, come be like say make dem dig ground. You know when person go shame, go be like say make you dig ground, make you put yourself inside. He say na so him be that day. Say he come see swallow spit. He say after everything, they come still come back to Europe. He say he no tey, him mama die, so he come still dey prepare for burial. He come still support am for money for burial. But this time, the family say make he come again. He come say no, wetin happen for goat house, he no want me happen for fowl house. He no dey go this burial. He say he no come go, only the man come go. He come back. He say the way the man take dey behave. He say later he come dey carry car again go house. Where for the carry car dey go house, he come forget him bag for airport. So now his brother come say, ah, you forget your bag o, may not be say na wetin important wey be say he wan go use for house. Now he forget. Now they open bag. He come surprise say her picture and her ex-husband picture join together for the bag. He come write say she don marry. Not be say dem dey, na contract marriage dem dey. Not be say there is the place say he wan carry that picture go show girl as a proof. Say he no marry this woman, na contract marriage dem dey o, you know, something like that. Na wetin dem come see for inside that bag. And when they ask am, he come deny am. He deny, sabi deny well well. He come deny that part. The woman come see surprise, but the woman dey see the light for there o. He come go. He say when he come reach, because they say as e be say na invitation she take come, so he need to go back. He go re-enter again. Na there the woman come talk say for all this character wey he dey show, so he no go permit am to re-enter again, because without this woman kpali, he no go fit re-enter again. He say so people come dey beg am, the family dey beg am, beg, na the father of your children, let am re-enter. He come say no, make he just stay Europe for them. Say because him own e too much. He say they come beg am, beg am, beg am. He come see dey beg. Now he come see pity am. He come go submit the parliament, re-enter again, and so he come take enter again. He say immediately he enter, now he come go dey find work, because he come know say without this woman nothing. So he come go dey work so that he go feel strong in your documents. He say as he come dey work, if you just collect salary, he say you know they no dey see salary for eye. Wetin dey use money do? Children full house. E no dey bring money come. E no dey support for anything. Everything dey this woman, and na this woman dey do all these things since then. And na you tell this woman say, okay, no worry, go, come, carry me come. If you carry me come, I go support you, because all these loads e too much for you. And you come since then, you no support. The woman understand, because you know say you never dey work. But right now you don dey work. You no gree support. So then he go tell her say house rent o. He go say he no get money for house rent o. He no get, she go pay. Na here the matter come take start o. So tell she go use her money take pay the house rent. He say another thing again, that her first daughter wey she first born before he meet this man. He said he no dey even dey show love to this girl. Any small thing go dey shout for am. Any small thing he wan beat am. He said that he come dey tell am say this pikin need love. Dey show this pikin love, you know. You know dey gree show am love. Na so quarrel for this husband and the first daughter. You understand? He say so one day he come house. Then his daughter come dey tell am say police people dey come since morning o, say daddy with neighbor dey get quarrel whether na money matter. They come call police for daddy, they come write paper for ground, write everything for ground. He say as the pikin dey explain, the pikin no fit explain wetin really happen. He dey expect say the man go tell am say see wetin happen, me and neighbor we quarrel or whatever. He no explain. Say then he come go meet am, he come tell am say see wetin our daughter dey tell us, say neighbor call police for you, na quarrel, wetin happen? He say na, say who tell you? He come say na our daughter na tell me. Say as he just dey talk am, why he make sure my name don warn her say make she no ever make sure him name for with her mouth. Why she go make sure? And they say the next thing na so he say wan go beat her. Say he come stand for the their center. He come stand. He come say no beat her, never reach like that. He say na so he dey push, he wan beat her. He say with that fear the girl come run comot for house that day. Then later he come so e come be like say the next day for school they come discuss the matter. Their teacher come get to know. You know say Europe children na school that they talk everything wey dey happen. So when teacher come know, now teacher come call her mother. They come say this pikin, he say your husband they maltreat am for house. Say so then one make you go do what is they call that thing? Name conscious. Get the name they say they call am for their language for there. Conscious something, that is to caution this man, safety conscious. So to caution this man, make this man not threaten this girl again because na small pikin, never reach 18 years. Say she need to go sign this thing, and na court there for the do am, so that they will use and warn this man make he not threaten this her daughter again. Now she come say make the woman not worry, say they will settle the matter. But the social wey involved for the matter come say if not, they will collect her children from her hand because they feel say the children not safe with their father. You know, he say come try to cover up that part. He say but that matter e just dey ground for there. E dey ground for there. He say so he come dey try to know how he go take settle that matter, make that matter cancel, and he go see dey talk to the man say make you take am easy with this our daughter. He say the man no wan hear o, you know dey do am well. He say wetin come cause this make quarrel now be say he come tell the man say make you bring house rent come. The man say he no get house rent and they need to pay house rent. He say so he come go where the man dey put money. He just take 40 euro, only 40 euro for inside house rent. Oh, he come take am, he come put am for inside join the house rent, take pay, join the money wey dey with her, take pay the house rent. He say as the man come, now the man say 40 euro not dey the money, or the money not correct. Now he come tell the man say abeg, na the house rent wey the house is there, you no gree bring, and this house rent not correct. Then make me take 40 euro, take join the house rent, go pay. Why he touch the money? He not tell her say no dey pay any house rent for this house. Why she go even touch in your money? The next thing, now he start to dey shout o. Before you know it dey happen, neighbor don call police. As they call police, police just dey dormant dey hear. The next thing, police just knock door, make dem open door. Now they open door. Now neighbor say they hear police say they hear noise. Na make they come. Wetin dey happen? He say now they come dey talk say na argument and all that. Now they come talk say because nobody call the police for inside the house, na neighbor na call police. So now police come talk say this family matter e don already first dey ground before because of wetin the pikin go report for school, and now this matter again, and this man dey shout say this woman need to go sign that safety caution enemy. I don't know how they call am. Say na to that safety caution, this thing mean say e no go trouble anybody for the house, and e no go raise e voice again for the children and the wife. Now be that thing, and na court they need to go do this thing. He say now the man come us. Then he come tell the police say he no go do. Now police people come tell am say they give am 3 days for am to come report. if not, if she no do, they will take action by themselves, and action wey they will take by themselves na to collect children for this woman hand, because they feel say the husband no let the children dey okay for the house. Na to collect children for the woman hand, then the woman with the husband go dey alone for house, and this woman now she no wan lose her children, you understand. So he say after 3 days then he come go meeting, he come talk say okay, he don agree, he go sign the paper. He say now he come sign the paper. So their court date now na first week of next month. So, and right now as the man come see say he don go sign already, the man no fit dey do well for her. So he say na so the man he just pack he property comot for inside room, he come pack am go put for corner. He no dey sleep for inside room again, he no dey eat their food. If the children greet am, if he own for inside greet am, he go answer im own. But if that senior daughter greet am, he no dey answer the senior daughter. Senior go tell am say, this girl dey greet you now, make you answer. He say make you no greet am o, you understand. But he go answer im own, he no go answer that girl, that senior, the first daughter. He say so the woman come say he don tire, he no know wetin he wan do. He say he don still try to talk to the man, say see reason, say this thing wey wan go, when they wan go court, so no be say they wan put you for prison, na just warning. He say he no wan hear o, he no wan hear. Say if he reach that day of that court, if that woman go that court, if he go the court, na be say marriage e don finish, marriage e don cancel. Let me come ask the woman say, as this man dey talk say marriage don finish, for the marriage sef wey we dey talk about, so how far for the marriage, wetin dey go on for the marriage? That the woman say nothing dey go on o. The man no dey stay house, he no dey support for anything for the house, nothing. He say even jogodo, the man he don tey, even when quarrel never dey, the man no dey even dey near him. He say the thing go dey hook her. He go say honey, make you come now, go chop your apple. He go say no dey chop. He bet he dey go shop for outside though. He go say feel like say na here man dey house. Now say na one madam you try o. Person no fit dey inside river make soap dey enter him eye. Now this one you dey call marriage, person go dey inside river soap, e go dey enter him eye again. Wetin dey happen? Send me your picture, make I see whether you be all those kind women wey be say dem no dey attractive to their husband. Very fine woman, no be say e fat, na very slim lepa woman, like so beautiful, get fine face. Now say wetin dey wrong with you? He say na that one you no know. I no understand that man. Now you maybe you wan come talk say maybe senior round or whatever. Na that level you wan come use now. E no pay, because you know before you start. You know before you start. The woman tell you for the beginning before you start. You understand? He say na 4 girls na this woman get. Say this woman come even dey try. Say okay, these 4 girls now, even the last one don still grow. Make dem still do. Make dem jogodo. Maybe this one wey go come last, so e go come be boy pikin. Make dem for still get boy pikin. He say the man say lele. He say no dey chop. He say no dey chop. But he go outside, he go chop. You understand? You leave woman for house, the woman can't be like your sister for house. Man ask me, that kind thing good? You money, he not see. Husband, he not see. Hapo, he not shop. I be man not vex for me. As this matter been now, so actually they talk on and know na hair. If you just read that one, man not come say this woman hair. Man know now say this woman too spoil. Not be spoil matter with day now. Now what did they happen? Now we they talk. You understand? Even domestic work wey they see they do for us, e no dey support. Children to carry pikin go school, carry come back, nothing. E no dey support. To even say okay, e no dey support for money, e still dey support for other things. No way. How man woman go dey house when be say 6 months together for house, man never chop ample? I no understand that part of my people. Okay, wetin una wan make this woman do now? Because the way me dey reason, I no know, me just dey think no be me wan talk, no be me wan judge. Me dey think am say this man don already plan everything wey he wan do. Whether this woman talk yes or no, even though say still go cancel the case, say they say okay, they don cancel, but now they threa ten am say if you just go talk, marriage don finish. For me dey feel say even if say the woman go talk say he no want case again, make court cancel the case, the man go still comot. He go still comot, because person wey wan repent, he go just ask the matter don dey like this, wetin he go use I beg my wife, I go change, I go do this. But right now, never they show anything like that. Even they worst every day. Then you say, make the woman, if the woman go say, e go court, marriage don't finish. None of people take some people take they do their marriage because all this our men. Sometimes if you too prepare they say without them you can't live, without them you can't stay. They'll just use you like rag. I not say more na dey root on a husband but some men na so they be. Some men they don't need that soft hand, they don't need that abeg, or they don't need that when you dey use body they prepare they chingom. Some men not like am because if you come to the do am today you come be like say they be alpha and omega anything they don't do am. So my people, make I leave this matter for here, make una leave una opinion abeg. The voice recording and the comment section, when I advise this our sister for wetin I don tell una so far, whether make she still go court go send that paper or make she no go. Wetin I tell una so na true because this woman she was talking with pains. I know wetin she talk that day, not be everything I come here come talk. So my people, I just talk the important one and I cut am short. So make una just see reason for this matter. If na you go sign that paper upon everything when this man don do you so. If na you go sign. You know they agree with your daughter for us. Your daughter now make you throw away your daughter say you marry. I don't understand too. If na you go sign. Wetin you think? Wetin you advise her to do if she be your sister? Or if na you dey her position, wetin you go do? Because this platform na platform of solution to anything. At least people when they bring their matter, they come here, they see am. So may I just stop for here? May I not talk too much? It's me, your sister, your friend, your pikin, your girl, anyone you call me, I did there for you. Thank you so much for watching and God bless you. See you on our next video. Bye.